What is up everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. In my last video, I talked about how the Uyghurs' life situation under Chinese virus outbreak. In this video, I will show you guys how the Uyghur children's life situation right now. She's crying badly and calling for her mom. And where's her mom? Might be in the concentration camp. Might be already died because of her organ got taken. Might be taken to the mainland China for forced labor. We don't know. And we questioning Chinese Communist Party, where are their parents? They never answer. And we know they are in danger. Are you interested in to see the life situation, life condition of this youngest innocent victim of 21st century? If I show you, you might get shocked. Here it is. Here how they're living. Since more than 3 million Uyghurs adults taken to the concentration camp or mainland China for free labor, their kids have nowhere to go and nowhere to take care of. Chinese Communist Party took them all together to the orphan school like this. This is how the orphanage they provided to these poor kids. They got forced to learn the Chinese culture. They got forced to sing those Chinese propaganda songs. And then when they get older, they take them to the mainland China for the further brainwash, further assimilation. This is all about what's going on to our kids, to Uyghurs kids. And we urge the international community and we urge the world to help us to stop Chinese Communist Party being able to do this ethnic cleansing toward Uyghurs and towards Uyghurs kids. This is against humanity. Everything Chinese Communists did to us will written down to the history and the world won't forget. We need this stop. We need their apology. We need them to take responsibility to every single things they did to us. That's all about it today. At the end, again, I want to finish it with my 100+2 daily push-up challenge. And I did it. Today is day 3, 104 push-up challenge. Even though I wake up with a super pain to my body, my chest today, but I did it for you guys, and I will keep going. I will keep going to finish the 30 days challenge. Wish you guys like it, and I will see you tomorrow.
Hurra hurra, adalar yanrıtar. Hurra hurra, kalbi dökme koşkallar. Hurra hurra, güzel nişanga mangallar. Hurra hurra, futbol suya kıyındaşlar. Hurra hurra, adalar yanrıtar. Hurra hurra, Kan gidip koşkalla Hurra hurra Güzel nişanga mangalla Hurra hurra Futbolcuya kıyındaşlar
Yap işil meydanda heybet 11 palvan Simisiga artıldığını halkım kütken arman Tebessümler tügümez Cenk vak balalar yengilmez yigitler pişansın Tükülgen terler sanar meydan kahraman Sizilge kiler can atlans anyurt kumansi Güllünler futboldu kalbimiz önlük nakalar her kişi Bu yer futbol suyer makan bulup Asya'nın merkezi Tanrı dağdaki heybet iradimiz biz bu çımlıkның ilgisi
Yığılsın o müsabaka üzülmezdir bu müsabaka Futbol bol diye bizge miras
Çoqallardan vuramasını köylep Futbol suyer məsəllərimiz orundan qopsun Cenk atlanğan cenk var sürekli bir ritmde soksun Emmimiz belge ritmlik köyde Başlı ve tuq çoqallardan vuramasını köylep Futbol suyer məsəllərimiz orundan qopsun Cenk atlanğan cenk var sürekli bir ritmde soksun
Futbol bizge ənənə toxtab qalmaz bəndənə Kök asman bunun sıfat meydan çapsa jigitlər Əqdirimiz meydanda bastırımızdan qoxsun Futbol güzel teneke royu militimizge yoksun Futbol bizge ənənə toxtab qalmaz bəndənə Kök asman bunun sıfat meydan çapsa jigitlər Əqdirimiz meydanda bastırımızdan qoxsun Futbol güzel teneke royu militimizge yoksun
Kara dostum kör atamsa aldır kişi cenga
Çipside 11 jigit rəqib yıkıl çıkılmaz pərva
Hayacanda məsəllər çox ansalar bəs
Yaşa jigit atan rahmet
Barkalla barkalla Hurra 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 hurra